The next set of buttons control your room's environment. The yellow light bulb labeled 1 turns on and off your reading light. Light bulb 2 plus and minus buttons control your main lights. To turn on, press and hold the plus light bulb button. By holding down this button, you can increase the brightness to your desired level. To lower the brightness, hold down the minus light bulb button. Continue to hold it down for it to turn off. The sunshade button will change the glass on your door from transparent to frosted. Lastly, in this area, press the start icon to the climate control menu on your TV. From here, you can see the current room temperature and what the thermostat is set to. You can use the arrows and enter button to select warmer or colder to adjust the temperature. Each time you select warmer or colder, it changes the thermostat by 1 degree. When finished, press the exit button to close out of the climate control menu.